At the cabinet meeting held today, the government had taken a few decisions on matters related to important issues in the state. Briefing reporters in the city, Education Minister RYMBUI informed that the first installment of salary for the SSA teachers has been sanctioned by the central government, and he is hopeful that the same would be disbursed to the teachers before the 31st of March 2022.
SSA is a very difficult subject. I feel that pity for the people for their own right, they have to come to the street. Having said that, we from the government, we are trying to do what it is needed to do so that we will get the installment from the central government. We are very happy that we are one of the few states which have got the full first installment from the government of India. And now all the necessary you see this and that we have submitted to the central government. In fact, last week also I am in Delhi to pursue for the second installment of this thing. So on the behalf of the government, I request that they should see that we are trying to it, and as we know that the budget is starting on the 4th, and I hope that something could be done before the 31st of March regarding the pending salary. We from the state government, the government will try to do something which I hope that after the budget. So from the government side, we request that nothing should be done until and unless through protest, this and that. But having said that, the government is trying its best, and we will try to do what maximum possible before the 31st of March 2022.
Informing the media on matters related to peace talks between the state government of Meghalaya and the proscribed Hnlc outfit, Home Minister RYMBUI said that the matter is with the Ministry of Home Affairs, and therefore word regarding the talks is awaited from the central government.
As the Home Ministry that given the name, and we have not get back from the ministry as of now. And as you know that the Honorable Chief Minister will go and meet on the border issue with the Home Ministry. I think side by side he will take up this issue also, so that the matter could be taken at the earliest. We have sent the name. You will see when it comes up. I didn't want to discuss as of now. So since the matter is with the central government, we will discuss at appropriate time.